Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. This is a Christmas destash. All this stuff has to do with Christmas. It's going to be $35 shipped, U.S. shipping only, PayPal, friends and family, and just let me know in the comments if you want it. Let me show you what's in there. Alright, first we have a couple of Studio G. These are real thick cardboard. Some of you may recognize these from years and years ago. I did use one on this one, but that's about it. So, but these are really thick cardboard. So there's that. I'll let you look at them. Whoops, wrong direction. Okay, there's the other one. It's got a cute Santa Claus and snowman. Okay, and then we have some of these. I thought I would use these. You know, you can get these at Dollar Tree. I thought I would use them because I see people using them, but when I think about it, it's like I just wasn't sure how to use them for the way, you know, the way I craft. So there's that one with all the things, and then here's another one with some more trees. I think I used 1 or 2 trees out of this. Okay. Then sorry, then we got this big old snowflake bling, snowflake bling. I don't know if you can tell. About the size of my hand. Let's see. What was that? Is that better? There you go. Okay. And then here's a close to my heart stamp called A Holiday. It's got the I forget what you call those things. Anyway, there it is. Alright, and then another close to my heart. This one's called All the Best, with the ornaments. Alright, then I have some, well, here's another stamp, Ink-a-Dink-a-Doo. This is a winter borders. These are pretty cute. I like these. Okay, and then we have a die from Spellbinders. This is what it looks like. Let me give you, that's how a card, when you do it in black, like a shadow thing, or a backlit thing, you know, it's all black. Turns out pretty good. Okay, and then I have here a spiral journaling book, which this has got a lot of good stuff in it. These are like tags or something like that, but you get a couple of each one, and they're glittery. And here's the next one. And then this one. Well, this one doesn't look like a tag, but you know, you can use them for journaling on a layout or something. Or here's another one. And then the last one. This one has like 4 of them. Okay, so there's that little book. And then here are some rub-ons. I hadn't even opened it, I don't think. Yeah, I did. I did open it. I don't know if I've used any of these. It's got some alphabets and some little sentiments. decorations and an angel. Here are some of those, and then some more alphabets, and then the front is this. Okay, and then another stamp set. I don't know, I think this may be paper tray ink, but I'm not sure. No, I think it, well, you know what, I don't know. I think I have seen this in Michael's hanging up, so it may be a Inka Dinka Doo or something like that. But this is when I was doing them in CD cases, so I put one over here. I just taped it on there. I put a piece of acetate in between them so they didn't get stuck together, and then I put the other one on, taped the other one on here. But this is what they look like. Here's that one, and then this one. Okay, I'm sending the CD case with it. Also, here's a die from Cherry Lynn. It's their snowflake die. Okay, and then I have some little bling here, and some hats. I used a couple of these. And here is another stamp of a dove. This is from Whiff of Joy. Another stamp from Whiff of Joy is this cute little mouse with this candy cane. I've never used it. It's not even, it's not even on one of the cushion things, so you'll have to do that. Another Whiff of Joy of a little baby opening a present or tearing it up. From Whiff of Joy again. I haven't used it, same thing. And then here is some Me and My Big Ideas tape, Christmas tape. Okay, and then I had a bunch of these plastic snowflakes in different sizes, so I thought I'd share and put those in there. And also I had a few years back, I don't know, it's probably been a few years back, they had these little things, they're cardboard, or they're basically chipboard, and you just color them or do whatever. So there's snowflakes and deer. I gave you 2 of each, and snowmen. And I also gave you, put in here some wood things. It's a Christmas tree, joy, love, peace, happy Christmas, and I gave you 2 of them. Alright, and that's it. Again, US shipping only, PayPal friends and family, and just let me know in the comments if you want this package, this Christmas package. If I find any other little Christmas thingies I want to get rid of, small things, I may throw them in the envelope. I went through all my Christmas stuff and trying to find some more things to put in here. Alright, so if you need it or want it, just let me know. Alright, thanks, bye.